Welcome to our behind-the-scenes look at how hot dogs are made. Ever wondered how your favorite summer snack goes from raw ingredients to the delicious hot dog in your bun? Let's find out. Our journey begins here, at the factory. Hot dogs start with a blend of meats. Typically, a mix of beef, pork, and chicken is used. These meats are chosen for their flavor and texture. The first step is meat preparation. The meats are inspected and trimmed to ensure only the best cuts are used. They are then ground into a fine mixture, which is essential for the smooth texture of a hot dog. Look at that meat grinder go. It's turning those cuts into a finely ground mixture. This is where the magic begins. Next, the ground meat is transferred to large mixers. Here, a special blend of spices and flavorings is added. Each brand has its own secret recipe, but common spices include garlic, paprika, and mustard seed. In addition to spices, ice or cold water is added to keep the mixture at the right temperature and to help with the emulsification process. The mixture is then emulsified. This means it's blended into a smooth paste. This step is crucial for that classic hot dog texture we all love. Now it's time to shape our hot dogs. The emulsified mixture is pumped into casings. These can be natural casings made from animal intestines or artificial ones made from collagen. The filled casings are twisted at regular intervals to form individual hot dogs. They're then linked together in long chains. These chains of hot dogs are hung on racks and moved to large ovens where they are cooked. The cooking process involves a combination of steam and smoke, which gives the hot dogs their signature flavor. The exact cooking time and temperature can vary, but this step ensures the hot dogs are fully cooked and safe to eat. After cooking, the hot dogs are quickly cooled to stop the cooking process and to prepare them for packaging. The cooled hot dogs are removed from their casings and sent through a final quality check. Any hot dogs that don't meet the standards are removed. The hot dogs are then packaged. Some are vacuum sealed to keep them fresh, while others might be packaged in bulk for food service providers. And there you have it. From raw ingredients to the hot dogs we all love, this process ensures every bite is delicious. The packaged hot dogs are then shipped to stores and restaurants, ready for you to enjoy.
Salt manufacturing involves several steps that transform raw materials into the final product. View of the typical processes in a salt factory. Extraction. Salt can be extracted through different methods depending on the source. Solar evaporation. This method is used when the salt source is seawater or salt lakes. Seawater is directed into shallow ponds where it is evaporated by the sun. Over time, the water evaporates, leaving behind salt crystals. Mining. Rock salt is mined from underground salt deposits. Where water is injected into the salt deposit to dissolve the salt, and then the brine is pumped to the surface. Washing. The raw salt is washed to remove impurities such as sand, clay, and other unwanted materials. This washing process may involve several stages to ensure the purity of the salt. Crushing and grinding. After washing, the salt is crushed and ground to the desired particle size. The degree of crushing depends on the final use of the salt. Drying. The crushed and ground salt is then dried to reduce its moisture content. Drying can be done using rotary dryers, fluidized bed dryers, or other drying equipment. Screening. The dried salt is screened to separate it into different size fractions. This ensures uniformity and quality of the final product. Additives. Depending on the intended use, certain additives might be added to the salt. For example, table salt often has iodine added to prevent iodine deficiency. Anti-caking agents may also be added to prevent clumping. Packaging. The final step involves packaging the salt into various containers, such as bags, boxes, or bulk containers, depending on the market requirements. The packaging must ensure that the salt remains dry and uncontaminated during storage and transportation. Quality control. Throughout the manufacturing process, quality control checks are conducted to ensure the salt meets industry standards and customer specifications. This includes testing for purity, particle size, moisture content, and the presence of any additives. Environmental considerations. Salt manufacturing can have environmental impacts, particularly in terms of water usage and the disposal of brine. Modern salt factories often incorporate sustainable practices to minimize their environmental footprint. Automation and technology. Advancements in technology have led to increased automation in salt manufacturing, improving efficiency, reducing labor costs, and ensuring consistent product quality. By following these steps, a salt factory can efficiently produce high-quality salt for various applications, from food seasoning to industrial use.
Welcome back to Tech Machine, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of manufacturing and technology. Today, we're exploring how pressure cookers, one of the most essential kitchen appliances, are made. Let's get started. While pressure cookers have been around for decades, making cooking faster and more efficient. But have you ever wondered how they're made? Let's break down the entire process from raw materials to the finished product. The journey begins with raw materials. Pressure cookers are primarily made from high-quality stainless steel or aluminum. These materials are chosen for their durability and excellent heat conduction properties. The metal sheets are then stamped and cut into the desired shapes. This involves heavy machinery that precisely cuts the metal into the body and lid of the pressure cooker. Next, the cut pieces are shaped and formed. This process involves deep drawing, where the metal is stretched into a mold to form the body of the pressure cooker. The lids are also shaped during this stage. The separate parts are then welded together. Skilled workers and automated machines ensure that the joints are strong and leak-proof. The handles and other components are also assembled at this stage. Give the pressure cooker its sleek look. The surfaces are polished and finished. This not only makes them look good, but also adds a layer of protection against corrosion. Before a pressure cooker can leave the factory, it undergoes rigorous testing. This includes pressure tests, leak tests, and safety valve checks to ensure each cooker meets stringent safety standards. Finally, the pressure cookers are packaged and prepared for shipment. They're packed with user manuals, accessories, and safety information before being sent to stores and customers around the world. And that's how a pressure cooker is made. From raw materials to the finished product, every step is crucial to ensure safety and efficiency. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more fascinating manufacturing processes. Thanks for watching Tech Machine. The making of something we all use daily, the toothbrush. Ever wondered how these tiny, bristle-packed wonders are made? Let's find out. Our journey begins at the factory where the magic happens. The process of manufacturing a toothbrush is a blend of precision engineering, innovative materials, and automated production. First, let's talk about the raw materials. Toothbrush handles are usually made from plastics such as polypropylene or polyethylene. The bristles are typically made from nylon. Plastic granules are the starting point for the handle. These tiny pellets are fed into an injection molding machine. Injection molding is where the plastic granules are melted down and injected into a mold to form the shape of the toothbrush handle. This process ensures that each handle is consistent in size and shape. Now, let's move to the bristles. Nylon filaments are cut into the desired length and then grouped together to form bristle bundles. These bundles are inserted into small holes in the toothbrush head by a high-speed automated machine. This process is known as tufting. The tufting machine uses a metal staple to secure the bristles in place, ensuring they stay firmly attached during use. Once the bristles are in place, they are trimmed to the correct length and shape. To make sure the bristles are gentle on your gums, the ends are rounded off in a process called end rounding. Quality control is crucial. Each toothbrush is inspected to ensure it meets strict standards. Defective ones are removed from the line. Once the toothbrushes pass inspection, they move on to packaging. Automated machines package the toothbrushes into blister packs or boxes, ready for shipping. Finally, the packaged toothbrushes are shipped to stores around the world, ready for you to purchase, and there you have it. From raw materials to the toothbrush in your hand, the manufacturing process is a blend of precision and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Machine for more behind-the-scenes looks at how everyday items are made. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.
See you next time.